Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could get an Excel template for an invoice using Microsoft Office. So to do that, just make sure that you are connected to the internet and open your Excel application. If you are using Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. And here we will click on New. Under Search for Online Templates, we will type Invoice and we'll hit Enter. At this stage, several options will appear and you can just click on one. And here we will navigate through to choose which one is most suitable for you. So there are plenty of options which you can choose, and they are all for free from Microsoft. So for instance, let's pick up one, and I will choose this pink one. Click on it and click Create. As you can see, the invoice has been created. So here I will just put my logo. Let's remove this text and let's click Insert, Picture, this device. And here I will be searching for my logo. Insert. And of course, I will just adjust my logo to exactly fit in that little square. And next, we will click on name and we'll change the company name. Leave the invoice title. And here in bill 2, we need to put the address of the person or the company to which we'll be sending the bill. I invite you to enter the address, postal code, etc. And in addition to that, the phone number. Next step, in info, you must enter the date, the invoice number, since this is our first invoice, so we are going just to select in the formula bar, we're just going to select exactly the invoice number and we will enter or type our invoice number. For PO, purchase order number, if you have one, just put it there. And you can put a project description if it's applicable. And you must here put the date by which this invoice is due. My invoices are due by 60 days, counting from the date of the invoice. And since we choose that the date of invoice is today, so 60 day, 2 months. So we are going to put it 24/01/2024. Next step, contact. Here we must put our details or our business details, the address, the postal code and the city, our phone number, our fax number if applicable, and then our email address if applicable. Here we are going just to select quantity. So you can choose the item number. So the quantity, how much you sent to the customer, how much you served to the customer, or how many items. And here description. Next step, you must put the unit price. And the calculation must be done automatically. So here the amount is calculated automatically. Discount applied if there are any. And the next step, I will put here an additional discount 0% or 0, and it should reflect the full price. So the total price is $73,890, and it's exactly here. If the vendor has given us any advance payment, if not, put it to 0. And here the balance due becomes exactly matching. So the vendor owes us, or the client owes us 37,890, which is the total of amounts here. And there is no credit, there was no advance payment, and there is no discount to be applied. I invite you also to make changes here according to your business to make conditions matching your business. And the next step, we'll try to save this file as a PDF. So here we'll change PDF and we will save it. As you can see, the PDF has opened. It's not very nice. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it as one-page selection. So to correct that, we're going to page layout, print titles, under page, we are going to click, and here we're going to select fit to one page and size A4 and click OK. Now when we click print, it should show our invoice in one page. And here you can either save it as a PDF or you can send it to be printed accordingly. So now when I go and try to open my invoice, and as you can see, the PDF opens this time just in one page. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.